Welcome back to Color Vistas. Sublimation on leather is an innovative and creative way to bring your designs to life on a luxurious, textured surface. Whether you're creating personalized gifts, stylish accessories, or unique home decor, sublimating on leather offers endless possibilities. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process, including choosing the right materials, designing your artwork, and achieving flawless results. Let's jump into it. Sublimation on leather requires a special type of leather. Genuine leather cannot be sublimated because it lacks the polyester coating needed for sublimation ink to bond. Instead, you'll need faux leather, often made from polyurethane, PU. This material mimics the look and feel of genuine leather while having a polymer layer that's compatible with sublimation. Sublimation-ready leather is available in pre-made items such as keychains, coasters, or bookmarks, or as large sheets you can cut into custom shapes. Before you start, gather all the materials you'll need: sublimation-ready leather, sublimation ink, sublimation paper, heat-resistant tape, a heat press, and your design. If the leather has wrinkles or creases, press it lightly with your heat press at a low temperature to smooth the surface. A clean, flat surface is essential for even ink transfer. Now it's time to design. Leather has a unique texture that enhances bold, simple artwork. Intricate patterns and high-resolution images work beautifully, but make sure they're scaled to fit your specific leather item. Monograms, logos, and minimalistic illustrations are excellent choices for small items like keychains or coasters. Use design software like Photoshop, Canva, or Illustrator to create or refine your design, and remember to mirror the artwork before printing. Print your design onto sublimation paper using sublimation ink. Set your printer to high-resolution settings to achieve crisp, vibrant colors. Allow the ink to dry completely before handling the paper. While your design dries, prepare the leather surface by cleaning it with a lint-free cloth. This ensures no dust or residue interferes with the transfer. Place your design face down on the leather surface, aligning it carefully. Secure the sublimation paper with heat-resistant tape to prevent it from moving during the transfer process. For leather, the heat press should be set between 375 degrees and 400 degrees Celsius. The exact temperature depends on the type of leather and sublimation ink you're using, so refer to manufacturer guidelines for the best results. Cover the leather and sublimation paper with a Teflon sheet or parchment paper to protect the heat press. Apply firm, even pressure for about 60 seconds. This step turns the sublimation ink into gas, which bonds with the polyester coating on the leather. After pressing, carefully remove the leather item and allow it to cool before peeling back the sublimation paper. The design should now be embedded into the leather, showcasing vibrant, high-resolution detail. Sublimation on leather offers endless creative possibilities. You can create personalized gifts such as wallets, luggage tags, or journals. Leather coasters or placemats add elegance to home decor, while custom phone cases or bookmarks make stylish accessories. Businesses can use sublimated leather items for promotional products or branded merchandise, adding a touch of sophistication to their offerings. For those looking to explore further, consider sublimating larger leather sheets and cutting them into bespoke shapes after transferring your design. This method is perfect for creating custom patches, intricate designs, or multi-piece projects. Tools like cutting machines or craft knives ensure clean edges and precision cuts. To maintain your sublimated leather items, clean them gently with a damp cloth and avoid using harsh chemicals. The sublimation process embeds the ink into the polyester coating, making the design resistant to fading or peeling. Proper care ensures your creations remain vibrant and durable over time. Sublimating on leather is a rewarding process that combines functionality with artistry. The rich texture of leather adds depth to your designs, while sublimation ink provides a vibrant, lasting finish. Whether you're crafting for personal use, creating gifts, or launching a product line, sublimated leather items are sure to impress. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation products and additional resources where applicable. Visit my website for more guides and tips on sublimation. Link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite leather sublimation projects in the comments. See you in the next video.